We're at 5434 Walsh, sewer lateral inspection. We're in the yard trap located in the garage. We're going to be pulling back. Right now we're in the house looking at the Y. Straight ahead is the floor drain. Over to the right is the main waste stack. The top of the pipe is on, or the bottom of the pipe is on the top of the screen. Cast iron looks like it's in pretty good shape. No real issues there. This is a cast iron clay connection. It's 4-inch cast iron, 6-inch clay tile. A little bit of roots, more root intrusion. That's normal in clay tile sewers. Now we go underwater here in a couple different spots, and it's hard to see what's going on. There's some bad root intrusion, and it looks like the pipe is cracked right in that area. You can see that there's a separation and a pretty large crack because that root is growing in somewhere where the pipe joint is not. We'll locate that area later. We're back to the yard trap right now. We'll stop recording, and then the next recording will be out to MSD's main.